Yeah, hi, this is Steven. I've been getting some inquiries about purchasing photography from Saatchi Art, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to do that. Some people are a bit confused, so hopefully this will untangle the web. So first you go to Saatchi.art and you would type in my last name, which is Begleiter, and it would bring you to my page. And let's say you're interested in this photograph and you go, oh, I don't have $890. That's for an original signed print, but if you click on it and you go to prints, you'll see that now you can buy a frame print for a lot less money. And there is a 10% off right now going on till the end of the year, so it's a good time to buy. And after you decide what image you want, you can then decide, do you want it on canvas, photo paper, or fine art paper? So let's just say we'll put it on photo paper. And so an 8x10 is $40, but let's say you want a bigger one, so 20x25 is $120. But you say, that's probably a bit too big. So then we'll say, really, my budget only can afford a 12x15, which is $70. So that's without a frame. But let's say, hey, I want to buy a frame because I don't want to hassle to go to the store and have it framed. So I want a frame, and let's see what it looks like with a black frame. So black frame, it's $120. So now the total is $190 for this beautiful print called Departure. And then you just add it to your cart like this. You hit add to cart. Oh, before you add to cart, you can actually kind of see what it will look like on your wall and the dimensions. You can also pick different types of frames to go with your interior decor, which is kind of cool. And then we'll go back up here. So we'll hit add to cart and Departure. You can apply your promo or gift card code, which is we'll give you 10. So there you go. And these are all the things you can read about, and that's it. And it's that simple. So go buy some original art and have a great holiday.